Hi guys, welcome back to Torrum's Academy special release. I'm Nine here. Today I just want to make a short video on the software of Filmora. You guys must be asking, where do I get all this sound, or even the sound effect and even the music? Most of them came from YouTube. And normally if I like the songs or what, I can recommend some of the channel which is here, like the best electronic music. I already, some of the songs I collected from there, I put a link at my description and most of my videos. If you like the song, of course you just want to download. What you do is you just come to here to the YouTube, you see the www and .youtube. You just press the SS. From there, you just press enter. It's called a save from .net. And you wait for this to load. Okay. Wait for it to pop up. Okay. So do not click this download first, because you'll be clicking the whole video down. All you need is just the music. So what you do is you click here and look for more. Then you download the audio of MP4, which is much smaller and easier to download. Once you just click it, it will just automatically save it as a file, any names you want. So you can see that I have downloaded like the Enemy Remix, the single Hazumi, Dragon Sound, Slime Sound, the Falling Sound. It's all that. But downloading the sound and music is not the problem. The problem is, how are you able to go to switch the sound into other sounds? See, I'm gonna go back to the Filmora again. There. For example, I have the dragon sound. I'll just put it somewhere here. Okay, a dragon sound. I can just play and take a hear of it. That's why I use it for the Deso, the Proto Dragon. Okay. So now, what I'm going to do is, I want to switch the sound to something else. All I do is, okay, so just move it here, cut up part of it, and I listen back to the sound again. Okay, that's how it sounds like. You can pitch up or pitch down the sound. Now let's try to hear the pitch up sound. That's the difference. That is the original sound, and this is the edited sound. What I can do, I just can copy again. Just place it here, and we can see the difference between the high and low. Basically, you can just collect one wave file and you just change the pitches, the speed, and also the volume that affects the whole video. Now if I lower down to the slower state, it sounds like a very huge of dragon sound. Now if I shorten down 1.5 speed, make it longer. You can hear that sound is just like it's calling out for something. But if you back to the normal, you don't need to download so many wave files. All you need is just have some basic wave files, and what you can do is just tweak a little on the pitches. If you can't find several sounds, the skill sound, so what do I do? I have download a few skill sound, but the fact is, let's listen to it and how it sounds like.
Magic arrow. Say no can. Magic water.
Okay, I know I do sound crappy. Yeah, if you want to have it in the anime sound, this is what I'm gonna do. I'll just double click on this here, and I'm gonna pitch it up maybe by 3 times, speed up the speed by 1.5, and let's see how it sounds now.
Magic arrow.
It's too fast, so it sounds like a cartoon. Now I'll just make it back to the normal speed.
Magic arrow.
It sounds too cartoony. Now let's try.
Magic arrow.
Much better. Same goes for the next one.
Say no can.
Senaruken. So let's try this.
Say no can.
Yep, that's about it. If I speed it up,
Say no can.
because it's not that perfectly, but all you need is just try to get it done. As a video editor, you need to find all your sources and even your WAV files and all this throughout the internet and all this. And as long as YouTube is concerned, you need to take really good care of your copyright. Of course, if you like your favorite songs or this, yeah, you can just put it in and put it in your videos. But there are certain countries that are unable to view it. Thing is, you want everyone to watch your vid. I suggest that you try to get something out of it. Either you can just make a remix. Background music, I'll just get the remix of most of it. This. So basically you can be a DJ of your own just by tweaking out the sound and see how it goes.
Magic water. Magic water.
Say no can. Magic water.
Okay.
Magic arrow. Say no can. Magic water.
The vocal sound is here. Most of the time I will just try to twitch it up by 1 and sound. This is how it sounds like.
Every life you touch and every soul you feel, we are safe and sound and we are strong and real. It's our minds retain us to this
When it becomes a lower pitch, this will be fun.
minds retain us to
You know?
this better place, and our hearts forever it will
Yeah.
always stay.
So basically you can hear the girls is becoming the boys. I think I'll just stop here. Just a brief introductions, introduce what we can really do with this Filmora, and actually I'm quite enjoying those video edits and even the sound edits by my own. And this is the sound of the Final Fantasy. So basically, if you want to do video edits just like this, you really need to spend quite some time just to do editing. But whatever it pays off, to see your videos was appreciated and you really enjoy doing it. Well, regardless how, just do your best, and maybe you can see what are the results you can solve from here. Right, thanks for watching. I hope to see you guys next time, and also promise to make better videos. Thanks, subscribe for more. See ya.